Hello everyone. As the year ends, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of my colleagues and teammates at Jajal Medical, and also the customers who continue to believe in us and keep us motivated. For continuing to deliver these high quality custom-made devices. Now, for the 2024, we've been expanding and penetrating better in the orthopedics and neuro markets. Even in the year 2025, we continue to focus on delivering good quality products in orthopedic, neuro, oral maxillofacial, and also helping or enabling these hospitals or medical institutes to have these local point of care 3D labs to adopt these technology or the devices faster and in a better way. With that, wish you all a very happy and a healthy happy new year for 2025. Stay happy, stay healthy.